been burning it up at both ends, day and night, and I've been rode hard, put up with. Ain't had time to catch my breath.
Boss man keeps on nagging, keeps my hinds dragging. I could wake up dead if I don't clear my head.
Gotta have some tractor time, little break from the daily grind. Drop that bush hog down, go